gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread the
Alright guys, what's up? This is going to be a quick short video of Stage 2 fuel pump. I'm using a Walbro 450, whatever the hell it's called, which is a different brand now, I think. I forgot who makes it. It's another company that makes it. I can't find it. But they do go by a different name now. I forgot. Let me see if I can find it. I'll just pull this out. They go by TI Automotive. Yeah, TI Automotive. It's the same thing as Walbro now. That's their new name. So now this will be something to show you how to make it without wasting a crap load of money. Obviously. I'm using a stock bucket. It's not cut, not modified. I'm trying to keep it not going bucketless. I'm not gonna explain how to do this. I mean, there's all the videos to do this. Yada 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 yada. I did use a BMP adapter, which is easiest way to do it. I wasted about 125 bucks, somewhere there, give or take, on the whole setup. So it was like 100 and something for the pump. And I believe try to get all the dirt out of there, and about 100 and about like 25-30 bucks is BMP thing, and everything else you gotta do yourself. Obviously you're gonna need a drill. I'm using a 332 I believe drill, which I'm gonna use rivets to secure these. As you can see, you can kind of see where I made the holes with these. See, but hole. I put it back to the same place where it was, or close to where it was. So there are the holes, as you can see. I will be. Dang, I don't even know what's broken. I will be putting it back in the bucket, like I said. Hopefully it all goes well. So we'll see right now once I put everything back. If this fails, you could always go bucketless, but I'm trying to keep my bucket, so we'll see how that goes. Let me put everything back, put the rivets on to show you what it looks like after. Alright, so here we go. Here are the rivets. Some people use zip ties, but I feel like it was more nicer to use rivets, I guess. You kind of see them from there. This one needed too because it kind of pierced the other one. It kind of broke it. So like I said, worst case scenario, if this ever fails, I'll just go bucketless. But I'm trying to stay with my bucket and then go bucketless. So this should work for now. So yeah. Alright, so pretty much give them narrowed down how it's gone, how it goes, and then all I gotta do next is put the head on and call it a day. I'll come back once everything's assembled. Okay, so here's everything put together. I use rivets for this part too to hold the hat in place. It's not going anywhere. They cracked the case though, apparently, which sucks. Like I said, if this thing fails somehow, I just go bucketless, whatever. I'm just trying to keep my buckets on. Don't take my advice. I mean, this bucket is all the shit, so if you can buy a new one on eBay, it might be not crack as much as mine did, but you get the idea. So So now all I gotta do is put everything back in and hope for the best. So, but yeah. So, put it back on. Obviously, the top hat goes there. I'm not gonna put the top hat to the little thing, so whatever. Put everything back and start the car. So anywho, if all goes well, your car will start. I'm just using this to end my video. Like I said, it's not a tutorial how to do it. Just a little different way of doing it, how I did it, just for you guys, for anybody who's trying to do their own bucketed one with their OEM stuff, not spend $300-400 on a fucking bracket in stage 2. I spent about 150-ish, give or take. So like I said, it's up to you guys. If you guys feel like that's something you guys want to do, cool, be my guest, do it kind of like I did. You'll get the idea once you start taking it apart. It's not a do-it-yourself, it's more like a different version of it, I guess. So peace.